Hey there, what's up guys? This is Mac and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of Portronics Soundpot Bluetooth speaker. It is a Bluetooth speaker that is from Portronics and it is the box. Let's see the mentioning at the box. Here the price quoted at the box is rupees 1599, but I have purchased it via Snapdeal for rupees 1049. So it is the box, and in this picture it is also showing that it has a mic in that. So let's quickly unbox this sound pot. So it is the speaker itself. Let's keep this aside and see what else do we get inside the box. Here is the manual, user manual, all in English. Let's keep this also aside. And we do have this male-to-male cable, 3.5 mm. And at last we have this USB to your micro USB cable for charging. So let me first give you the physical overview of this Bluetooth speaker. At the bottom here it is mentioned that Portronics, and here is the switch for on off. At back side of this speaker is the 3.5 mm jack. This is for charging, that is charging light I think, and this is the charging connector. At front we have this microphone opening, as you can see, and at the top we have the speaker grill.
Power on, pairing.
As you can see, when I power on this speaker, it gives a voice feedback that the speaker is on, and now it is on for pairing also. So let's quickly pair this speaker with my smartphone. Now I have connected this sound pod with my Redmi 3S Prime, and I'm gonna play some songs and check the audio quality of this Bluetooth speaker. So let's play some song. And one thing which I'm gonna tell you, that the volume level is not max. It is at 65 to 70%. So let's play the song.
Look at what you've done. Stand still, falling away from me. When it takes so long, fire's out. What do you want to be? Now holding on. Oh, still was never enough for me. How to be so strong? There's a power in what you do. Now every other day I'm watching you go on.
Let's put the volume at max level and now check the difference in the loudness. As you can see, the volume is at max level, and let's play the song. Run away when can you give it up? Come on, girl, can you give it up? I'm a rude boy. Keep it on the level. Keep it on the level. Keep it on the level. I can do this all day. I can do this all night. I can do this all day. I can do this all night. I can do this all day. I can do this all night, all month, all year.
Look at what you've done. Stand still, falling away from me. When it takes so long, fire's out. What do you want to be?
In my opinion, these Portronics sound parts are very loud. It has a microphone also, and I have checked via doing a call with this, and these performs very well in the section of microphone also. And this is the light here is the Bluetooth light. So that's it for now in this quick review for this Portronics Spot Bluetooth speaker. And if you have any questions and queries, please comment in the comment section below. And if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you don't, then thumbs down. And if you enjoyed my video and enjoyed my work and like my work, please subscribe to my channel. That is Mac Niazi, and your host is now signing off. Bye bye, have a great day.